When inside an Assets preview page, you'll notice a keyboard icon here. This gives you all the shortcuts you need when working on your assets. So get started with an easy one. The right and left arrows let you move from one asset to the next. Hold the Command key and use plus and minus to control zoom, and use Command 0 to enter full screen mode and escape to close. We've got shortcuts for comments in video too. Command plus up plus C will open the comments, A to add annotations, or D to use the draw annotation tool. Pause and play video with the spacebar, or use the J, K, L keys as rewind, play, and fast forward, or number keys to jump a percentage of the way through the video. Adjust your sound using the up and down keys and hit M for mute. Practice a few and you'll be amazed at how quickly these shortcuts become second nature.